everyone, Sarah from Easy English Club, back with another lesson. Today's lesson is British English pronunciation of letter C words. Communicate, compassion, calamity, captivate. All right, my lovelies, do me a favour, give me the thumbs up if you find this video useful. And you know what else I'm going to ask you? Hit the subscribe button, my lovelies, the bell icon, and you'll know when there's new content added. Okay, on with the lesson. British English pronunciation, letter C words. Communicate, compassion, calamity, captivate. Now, as you know, pronunciation, when we speak, it's to do with the tongue, the teeth, lips, and kind of facial muscles and movements. So you can just mimic me, guys. First word we have is communicate. That's 4 syllables. Communicate. 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 Now, what this means, it's kind of a transfer of information. It also has another meaning whereby you can communicate a disease. I'll give you some examples. I am communicating with you guys. Another example. These days, we generally communicate by email. And the other meaning, we can say something like, the disease was communicated by drinking dirty water. That's the word communicate. Communicate. I'll put it down there in the subtitles for you guys. Next word we have is compassion. 3 syllables. Compassion. 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 Always be a compassionate person, guys. What this means is you have a strong feeling of sympathy. For example, you kind of help people a lot. You can be a compassionate person. Example sentence, more negative, and then I'll give you the positive. The old lady had no compassion. She was harsh. And the more positive version of compassion, the old people were treated with compassion. That's compassion. 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 Next word I have for you is calamity. Calamity. 4 syllables, guys. Calamity. 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 What this means, it's like great damage. Something terrible happens to people, places, property. That's calamity. And an example sentence. A hurricane blew through the coast and left calamity in its wake. It's all down there, guys. Don't stress about trying to repeat this as fast as I do. It's down there, and I'll add it in the subtitles too. That's calamity. Last word I have for you is captivate. Captivate. 3 syllables. Captivate. 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 What this means is kind of holding someone's attention. Example sentences. I hope these YouTube videos captivate your attention. i.e. I hope they hold your attention. You can say captivating as well. Another example, the children were captivated listening to the story. So that's captivate, captivate. All right, guys, I'm just going to stick to these few C words today. I'll be back with another video tomorrow. Anything you peoples need help with, pop it down there in the comments, or come find us on Facebook, send me a message, and I will be happy to cut a video for you. Thank you, peoples. Give me the thumbs up if you found the video useful, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.